Hi, this is Dave Harrison. I'm not doing this any official capacity here. I'm just collecting some sound data here at Hemlock Street. Operation seems to be working over there tonight, and checking there. Now, obviously, when I speak, I get a little higher reading. So, if I don't speak for a few minutes, a few seconds, we can see what the level is. Today's date is October 2nd, 2025, and this is around 7 o'clock here, and we're on the base here of Hemlock Street. And here at the property line, we're getting about 52, 53, unless I speak, and it goes up, of course. So just give you another 30 seconds or so without me speaking. So it's running about 52 or less decibels. According to the conditional use, they're allowed 70 decibels or 5 decibels over 65. So they're allowed 70, so they're below that at this time. So this is just one area. So we're gonna get some data now over at the dollar store. So now we're gathering some information. I'm doing this not on an official capacity, just collecting some sound data and making sure that it's within ordinance standards. Where we are right now, they're allowed about 70 decibels. And so obviously when I'm speaking, it's going to pick it up. But when I stop speaking, we'll get what the level is normal. We're also picking up background traffic. The 60 peaks is from me speaking. So here it's running under 60. Occasionally you hear like a moving of some equipment and make a little spike, but it's under 60 decibels in the upper 50s. Harrison here, not doing this in any official capacity, but collecting some sound data for the Leto Well at the property line, our property line, and in a little bit we'll get you some sound data without me speaking because I'm affecting the reading right now. So there's also quite a lot of cricket noise here tonight, but we're going to take a look and see what we get here, but I can't speak during that.